thank you all for coming. We'll get going. So, what we'll be talking about this evening, we will be discussing our view of the future point of care. We will be strongly making the case that if you try to extrapolate from the past, you'll get it wrong because the future is going to be very different from the past. Our fundamental theme is that markets are changing. We'll talk about established markets. We'll talk about the kinds of responses that existing companies will make to the change that they see. And we will then give you our thoughts about what they should do rather than just what they will do. You may disagree. We'll leave plenty of time for discussion and questions. So enjoy your dinner and save some questions. Brief discussion of who we are. We're a consulting organization. I won't read all this to you, but the one sort of interesting and different thing about us is that from the inception of the company about 5 years ago, we have focused purely on the questions of molecular medicine and the changes that molecular medicine, personalized medicine, is going to make in healthcare markets. Keith here is described there. He's done many things. I won't try to read them to you. I'm the other one, and I've done a few things, and that's us. So,
Can I do a little housekeeping?
Yes.
There are a couple of things. First of all, it's our fault. The booklet that you have printed up has our working set of slides as opposed to our final set of slides. So you'll find a few differences in the slides that we have. Also, I think that we're going to paint a vision of the future of point of care. It's our vision of the future. I think to give a little credence, though, you heard Peter say that we founded Genomic Healthcare Strategies entirely focused on the future that we saw in molecular medicine. We published a few articles in journals about our view of the future of personalized medicine, and it turns out it's coming true. And I'll say that a couple of things we said was that personalized medicine, molecular medicine was coming faster than people expected. 5 years ago, people were saying, it's not really here. I would say that there's a lot of it in mainstream. I didn't say it's penetrated everywhere, but there's a lot of it in mainstream. The reason that we're talking about point of care is the same sort of trends and changes that we saw in the molecular medicine market that drives personalized medicine, molecular medicine, we're seeing in the point of care market. And we think that that's why we predict this rapid change and fundamental change.
A quick note about the future being different from the past. Ordinarily, when you look at market research reports, when you look at projections of what the future is going to be like, what you see there is someone has taken a bunch of data points and has done curve fitting. But don't do that with point of care because you'll be wrong. We think that there